Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for coming and watching. My name is Ashley if you're new. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new and like my videos. I'd really appreciate it, and I'd like you to be a part of my followers and my friends. So it would be great. Okay, so let's get started. This is the Makeup Revolution SophX Ultra Eyeshadow, 24 Ultra Eyeshadows. So I'm sure you've seen lots about this. I'm not going to talk about it a whole lot, but I wanted to do swatches for this for you guys as well. Maybe you haven't seen it. I'm sure you have. I'm a little behind, which makes me so sad. The packaging is stunning. You know, you get the forward and the back, and it shows you. I'm definitely going to keep that packaging. I love it because one day I'm hoping to meet Sophie. I want her to sign it for me. I don't know if that's weird, but she's such an amazing YouTuber. I love her, and she's so young and she's such an inspiration. She's a cute little thing. So okay, so here is the outer packaging, you know, the packaging for the palette. I love it. Some people don't like that it is a color like this because they think, oh, it's gonna get dirty. No matter what, an eyeshadow palette's gonna get dirty. So I don't mind. I like it. It's something different, which I really like. The names are cute. You get an awesome big mirror. Some of the names I love are Penguin, Pancakes, Fairy Lights, Mug Cake, Strawberry Sweets, Peaches. I love Pug, Cup of Tea. That's so cute. I love it. So I'm going to swatch them for you guys and just show you. So here is the palette. Look at those colors. Absolutely stunning. I have literally wanted to stick my fingers in these and try them out for so long, but I just wanted to do this video for you guys. I've been waiting for a good day. I was a little under the weather for a little while, so I couldn't. So I've had this palette for a little while, not too long, but I definitely want to start using it. So I'm going to swatch them for you. I'm going to do the first row, which starts with a white. So there is 6 eyeshadow colors in each row. So I don't think I'm going to fit them all on my arm. I don't think I'm going to fit 24 on here, but we're going to give it a good go. The first few colors are not probably going to show because it is like a white, and I'm white. So yeah, that just basically blends in. So creamy though. They are so nice, guys. They're so nice. So that is a nice creamy white. The next one, which I should be telling you guys the names. So that first one was Penguin. The next one is Pancakes. Oh, this is going to be a really beautiful transition color. Really, really nice. This is like my skin color pretty much. Tad darker. So you're really not going to see it. So that is Pancakes. Fairy Lights, those two were matte. Fairy Lights is like a satin kind of color. Just looks like this on my finger. That's Fairy Lights. It's like a light pink. Oh, that's pretty. That's gonna be a gorgeous like inner corner. I don't know if you'll see that. I'll swatch it just one more time. Again, like I said, this first row isn't gonna swatch great on my skin because I am so pale. There it is there, Fairy Lights. Fourth color, sorry, is Pink Champagne, which is exactly what it looks like, a pink champagne-y kind of color. Again, it's the same color as Fairy Lights, so it's picking really, really pretty up on my finger. It's definitely leaning like a more darker pink, whereas the last one was like a lighter pink. So hopefully you can see that there. It's right here. That's Pink Champagne. Next one is Iced Coffee, a little bit darker than Pancakes. Oh, they're so creamy. It is a matte color. There it is swatched on my finger. Middle finger, sorry guys. That is really, really pretty. That's a lot darker. And that's Iced Coffee. And the next one is a cuppa. It's called Cup of Tea. And again, it's a little darker than Iced Coffee. Well, quite a bit darker actually. So it should swatch really nicely. These are mattes even, and they're swatching beautiful. Just gonna Add a little more there. And that is Cup of Tea. Beautiful. So yeah, that was only the first row, so I'm definitely probably not going to get them all on there. Okay? The next row starts with a, so we're on the second row, which just looks like this. These colors here. Okay? Starts with Grow Old, and it is like a darker, it's the same as Texture's Fairy Lights and Pink Champagne, so a satiny, sparkly kind of color. Grow Old, it's like a copper color, very beautiful. There it is there. Very beautiful, very, very pigmented. I love that. I love a good copper. That is stunning. Hopefully you can see that. The next one is Sparks Fly, and it is a lighter coppery kind of gold color. Same texture as Grow Old. There it is there. So there's Grow Old, and that's Sparks Fly. It runs a little more gold than the copper one. So pigmented. So there's those two there. That's Sparks Fly. I hope you can see that. Stunning. Stunning. Clean the fingers. And the next one is the same texture again, and it is called Smoky Bronze, and it's a gorgeous name for it because it is definitely a smoky bronze color. Oh, they just feel phenomenal. Smoky Bronze. Oh, this one is so pigmented. There it is there. The shimmery, satiny, whatever you want to call them, the non-matte ones, the glitter, I don't even know what to call them, they're gorgeous. The next one is a purple color, and it's called Mixed Berries, same texture as the last three on this row. Wow, oh my gosh guys, look at this one. I know I've seen the swatches, but it really doesn't, once you get them and do it yourself, oh my gosh, they're just phenomenal. Mixed Berries, I cannot wait to use that. Gorgeous, gorgeous purple. Super pigmented. The next one is called Tiramisu, which I like the name. It runs a little more, Tiramisu is actually a great name for it because that's what I think of when I look at it. It is definitely like a mauvey brown kind of color. There it is there. The mattes are so smooth and very, very pigmented. Like I hardly stuck my finger in there. And then the last one on this row is called Peaches, which I really like the name. It is definitely a peachy brownish kind of color. Yeah, it's like a brown that runs kind of like a pink right there on the middle finger. And there it is there. That's so pretty. So pretty. I like don't want to wash these off, but I can't. I don't think I can fit. Maybe I can fit a few more there. The next one is called Cloudberry. It's a very unique name. It is we're on the third row, and it's like a sparkly orangish kind of color. It's pretty. Cloudberry. Oh, that's pretty. So it's right there. It's like an orangish kind of color. I'm gonna swatch it up here on my knuckles, which isn't the best place to swatch, but you know what? That is stunning. It's so pigmented. That is Cloudberry. The next one is Pumpkin, which is like a really dark orangey red kind of color. Making my palette all dirty. Pumpkin. I barely stuck my finger in there. That is stunning. Swatch it next to the Cloudberry one. Wow. So it's that second color right there. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Super pigmented. The next one is kind of that pressed powder shimmer kind of color, and it is called Pine Tree, which everybody absolutely loves, and I think I'm gonna love it as well. So pigmented. I was like, doop, doop, doop. And like, I think I put it too much on. It just glides right on. Oh my gosh, that is stunning. Can you guys see that gorgeous color? Look at these colors together. Beautiful. So fall. Love it. The next one is Petrol. And it looks like a brownie kind of, this one's a really unique color. Again, it is same texture as Pine Tree. Yeah, it's like a brownie. Oh, it's one of those kind of colors. Look at that. That is so pretty. So pretty. Oh, look at that. It's like a brownie purpley kind of color. Stunning. I really like that color. That is a really unique, beautiful color. You did so well, Sophie, in Makeup Revolution. The next one is called Pug, and it is like a light taupey brown color. I don't even know if that's the right way to describe it, but oh, it's so soft. Yeah, Pug. I think that's a great name. You can kind of see it there. I know I'm really light skinned, so it's right there. I'm gonna swatch it just again there. This is the third row again, just to remind you. Pug. That's beautiful, isn't it? Gorgeous, super pigmented. Last one is Danger, which is like a burgundy kind of red color, which, oh, this one looks stunning. I love these kind of colors. Yes, look at that. So pretty. Oh, guys, look at that. It's so pretty. I love this third row, sorry. We're gonna go down the arm to the fourth row, which looks like this. Starts with a pinkish kind of color, which I am wearing pinky kind of look today, which I'm starting to really like. Used to never wear pink. Okay, this one's called Strawberry Sweets. Sorry guys. Super pigmented again. Oh, that's pretty. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Pretty. Very, very pigmented. Next one is called Festive Flame, which again is like a pressed glitter, satiny kind of color. It's not really glittery. They're like metallic-y kind of colors. I don't know how to describe them. And this one is called Festive Flame, which is burgundy red kind of color. And oh my gosh, guys, I'm loving this color. Where am I gonna swatch? Right here. Oh, that is gorgeous. Festive Flame. I don't even think that swatch is doing it any justice. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty and so shimmery. It's gorge. Next one is called Copper Coin, which I think is a great name for it. It's definitely a coppery kind of color. Again, it's kind of that pressed satiny. Oh, gorge. That's so pretty. Oh, that's so nice. So much still left on my finger as well. Oh, that's pretty. I'm gonna say that a million times. Oh, that's pretty. These are all gorgeous. Mug Cake, which is a really, really dark chocolate brown, which is gorge. And then Rosewood, which is like a very unique looking color. Kind of a brown again, but like a grayish brown. And then Nightmare, which is a black. Whoa, that black is more pigmented than I thought it was. I was like trying to get a good swatch of it. So this one is a Mug Cake. Okay. I'm just gonna get a little bit more of that one because I want the swatches to be really good for you guys. Swatching on arm hair, which is not the best, but there's Mug Cake. The next one is Rosewood. I'm gonna just do one little more. Yeah, that's pretty. Rosewood and Mug Cake, kind of similar. Rosewood is a little more grayish brown. Mug Cake's a darker chocolatey brown. And Nightmare, which is a black. Wow. Pigmented black as well. Wow, guys. Sophie, Makeup Revolution, you did an absolutely amazing job. This is super pigmented. Look at the palette. Those are all the beautiful colors. I've had to stick my fingers in it now. Hoping my hand is clean. Yeah, that's the palette. That is it, guys. If you want to see any looks with it, please let me know and I will definitely do that for you guys. Loving this palette. Super good job. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, please thumbs up. Let me know what else you'd like to see swatched, and yeah, so my first impressions is good. I knew it would be from all the other videos I have seen about it. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, guys, take care.